Hello, I'm Captain Dixon from the Detroit Fire Department, and one of the myths or misconceptions is that only children get hurt with fireworks. But due to people not reading the instructions or not doing the fireworks correctly, we have an increased number of adults who are injured by fireworks each year due to alcohol use or improperly using the fireworks. Today we're going to show you correctly how to use this fireworks here that has a projectile that shoots in the air. You want to ensure that you block the projectile so it doesn't tip over. We have two cinder blocks, and we're going to light this, and this is the correct way that we want to secure this so it doesn't shoot over and shoot into your house. And you're going to see that later, what happens when one of these shoots over and shoots into a house. They're going to show the incorrect way, you know, like the guy did in Wall Lake, held it in his hand and held it next to his head. That's his head right there. What we have here is a very dangerous half a stick of dynamite, and the Fire Marshal Division is trained to the highest level. We go out to all the fireworks tents and we ensure that they're not selling this, and we expect them to make sure that they're selling the correct thing. But again, you can buy these all throughout the city. This is illegal. It's only used for display fireworks. It's a half a stick of dynamite. What we're going to have now is a demonstration of when you take this half a stick of dynamite and try to throw it in your hand and it doesn't get, and it remains in your hand. Watch what could happen to your hand. And it looks like he didn't get that out of his hand fast enough. So again, the warnings say that we should never use illegal fireworks, and that's what you just saw, a half a stick of dynamite. You can purchase these throughout the city, but they are illegal. We recommend that you don't purchase these or try to use them, but again, you can see what can happen to you. A whole jug of water there in hard plastic, and watch what it does to the plastic. Is the average house that could be in your neighborhood. The fireworks that we have there shoots multiple charges. It's designed to be on a flat surface, but if you have it on an unlevel surface, the inertia of the fireworks shooting off could cause it to tilt and shoot into a garage filled with furniture or a house. So watch what happens when this fireworks, which is designed to shoot in the air, turns sideways and shoots into a house or a garage filled with smoke. Additionally, we'll have a clock over here once the fire starts to show you how quickly this fire will burn. Wow. Shot right there. Three minutes, just over 3 minutes. Our last demonstration is of that is an abandoned car that has a quarter of a tank of gas in it, and some kids are doing fireworks and they're using an illegal firework, and they don't understand. They just want to blow the windows out of the car, throw it in there for horseplay, but they don't realize that there's a quarter of a tank of gas in there.
Here are your fireworks safety tips. For more fireworks safety tips, visit www.detroitmi.gov.